sends shivers down your spine.
Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with y'all 3 easy Halloween nail art, so make sure to give this video a big old spooky thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. For this stitched up French nail art, I'm going to start with a nice nude base, and now I'm going to be applying a green nail polish on the tip of my nail like so. I'm just going to be making a nice line just like a French tip you would do normally, but this one is with a green. That is dry, and I'm going to be applying a nice thin line around the French tip and the base, and I'm just going to be making a nice stripe line in between those to make the stitch. And now I'm gonna be making some stitches like so, and I like when it's like kind of messy and not super clean and perfect, because it looks like hand stitched cloth. So it's like I'm sticking my French tip into my nail, basically stitched up. It looks super cute and spooky. So just making stitches crisscross on the nail like so. And lastly, when it's completely dry, finish it off with your favorite glossy top coat and you're done. So I already started with the pearl white nail polish. I applied one layer of it, and the base is completely dry, and now I'm gonna be applying using a pumpkin orange nail polish, and just gonna be doing a square kind of box on the tip of my nail. For the patch, it's like a cloth patch on my nail, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with the green nail polish, but I'm going to be doing that upward near my cuticles area. And it's totally alright if it's not perfectly in a square shape, because we will be covering that up from a black stitch, so it's totally fine if it's not perfectly square. Dipped a nail art brush into black nail polish, and now I'm gonna be making lines around this patch, but before that, make sure to let that patch set completely dry so you can do this step. So it's completely dry, and now I'm just making a straight line just like so. It's alright if it gets a little bit messy, because it's just a string we are basically making, so it can get messy a little bit, just like as you guys can see my nail polish at least a little bit sticking around. So yeah. And on the green patch, I'm going to be doing the same thing as well, and I will let this dry for a minute or so. Now the base is completely dry, and I'm going to be making just some lines like so. 3 stitches I'm gonna be making, and you can make 2 if you want. You know, it depends on your nail bed. Again, it depends how long your nails are. Just like so, the patches are done, and I'm gonna be doing 2 more on the sides, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing with the green patch as well. So I already started with my base coat. So here I'm dipping a dotting tool into red nail polish and just making a dot like so to make the drip of the blood. And one more, I'm gonna make it over here, and I'm gonna slide it upward on my tip of my nails just like a lollipop, and slowly I'm gonna be adding more nail polish and just gonna be thickening it and making it just like a normal blood drop. I'm gonna just connect it like so and just making a U shape so it looks like it's dripping, and I'm gonna be connecting it, and it's super easy. Like, you can literally do this from toothpick, or you can even use the nail polish brush. And just like that, I'm filling it in. Lastly, you can finish it off and seal the deal with a top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 tutorials. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Spooky Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platforms. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.